How to fix can't find someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Instagram. Now tap on the source icon. Now tap on the source bar. Now type the person username. Now tap on search. If you don't find this person here, it might be that the person has either blocked you or has deleted their account. Now to find out if they have blocked you or deleted their account, simply go back to the home screen. Now open up your web browser. Now tap on the source bar. Now type instagram.com/ their username. Now tap on search when you're done. Now if their profile is being shown here, then it might be possible that they have blocked you on Instagram. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.